We go round in circles, searching for love. We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love. Looking for something that lives.
Video is sponsored by Nadula Hair. I absolutely love Nadula. I always see good reviews when it comes to their hair. And onto the hair comes in this satin bag like that. They've sent me this 13x4 24 inches water wave. The wig has glue tabs over here, and this is in the color reddish brown. I am so excited. I've never tried anything like this before. I'm excited to see how this will look on me. And it also comes with these as well, so this will assist you to put the lace down. I've never tried these glue tabs, so I'm really looking forward to this. And that's how the hair looks from a distance. This is 24 inches. That's the curl pattern at the moment. This is 180% density. This is a 13x4 lace frontal. It's got these glue tabs on the side over here. The hair doesn't have an adjustable strap on it, but it is included in the box, so it's also here. It's got this latex or silicone in the construction over here. This helps the wig not to move around as it's on your head. It's also got this adjustable comb over here. The wig is pre-plucked, the knots are pre-bleached, and the lace is pre-cut. I am going to go ahead and now just tint the lace so that it can blend in perfectly with my wig cap. The truth is, like this, the hair is done. We have installed the hair with those glue tabs. It is secure. It's not moving. It's very much secure. So like this, we could very much be done and be gone. Like they said, it's very easy. It's an easy install, in and out on your head, 100% glueless. There is nothing holding the hair down over here, only on the sides with those tabs. Only on the sides with the tabs. Obviously, I put on makeup just to make sure that it blends into my skin as well. And we're good to go. We can call it a day, girl. We can call it a day. I love the convenience of it all. This took me less than 5 minutes, you guys. Like, this took me less than 5 minutes. I just love the convenience of it all. And so far, the color on me looks absolutely great. It looks astounding. I don't want to leave it here. I want to style this hair. I want to see how I can play around with it. Obviously, like I mentioned, you can choose to go glueless like this, but I am somebody who likes to feel that the wig is fully secure. It is secure as we speak. Like, I just want to show you, it's very secure. I can move around in it. It is not falling off my head. It is very much secure. However, for that extra security, I'm going to go in with my adhesive spray just to make sure that I melt it flat down. I'm then gonna style it, put some baby hairs. But you can literally go like this, guys. Like this, you're already done. You know what I'm saying? Like this, you're already done. If you're not somebody who's into baby hairs, baby, that is also fine. You're good to go. You can go off like that. Keep it simple, classy, keep it pushing. We're not charging you the side. I love it like this. I would definitely keep it like this. However, I am somebody who likes a little bit of razzle dazzle, a little bit of sass, a little bit of, you know what I'm saying? So And this is the final look from me. I am extremely happy with this hair. The color is literally popping on my skin tone. I would advise anybody with the same skin tone as me not to walk, but to run to Nadula and to get this hair, okay? It is popping on my face. My makeup is also looking really, really good with it. I opted not to saturate the hair with water or product like that because I'm really loving the full volume. You know, I love when the curls are like fully volumized like this and it maintains its original curl pattern. So I didn't saturate the hair with water or any product like that. I opted to leave it like this, and for me this is a final look. I absolutely love it. The hair is very soft, it's very silky, it's very easy to work with. The lace is HD lace, so it definitely is very easy to melt into your skin as well. I didn't have to put the lace melt band. I just put on my adhesive spray and I just did the baby hairs, and baby, we're good to go. It feels very tight on my head, secure. It's not moving anywhere. The glue tabs are still very much here. Remember, the whole idea of this wig, guys, is these adhesive tapes over here. For someone who wants to quickly throw on a wig and call it a day or move along with their day, definitely that's your vibe. You can go for that. Even when you put on adhesive spray, guys, it didn't even take me over 5 minutes to put that adhesive spray on and just to rock my baby hairs and call it a day, baby. Let me know what you guys think. Do you prefer it when it's a middle part like this? I didn't even define the middle part because I also wanted to play around with the hair a little bit and to do like a side freestyle kind of side. I didn't like really define the siding, the parting as well. It's just like a free hand like that. I think I like it a lot like this. It's fall in South Africa, it's winter currently, and I feel like hair like this is giving fall. You know what I'm saying? It's giving, it's winter, it is fall, it is full. The hair is luscious, 180% density. It is definitely full. I just put a little bit of mousse just to define the curls more, because obviously as I'm going through the hair with my nails, I am opening the curls up just a little bit, but it's not losing the curl pattern, it's not losing the form in which it came in, which is what I absolutely love. I love full, bouncy, luscious curls like these ones. I'm sure you'd also like to shop the look. I've got you covered. Check my description box. I'm going to leave all the details regarding this hair there. I will leave all of Nadula's details as well. You can check Nadula out on all their social media platforms, and I'll also leave all the details in the description box regarding this hair. We've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this installation, guys, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Nadula.